for joining me today. My encouragement for you today is yes, there is hope regarding your lower back. Now, sometimes things are a little bit more extreme and you would probably want to be able to seek some medical help. But for those that it might be more of what's called an acute injury, just a little more where it comes and goes, I want to be able to offer that help. The first thing is with the lower back, your hips and glutes are really going to be that area that you want to loosen up. So what you'll do is just grab a foam roller if you happen to have anything, or a tennis ball. A tennis ball is going to work a little bit deeper. This is just a light, easy foam roller. It's just rolling, just breaking down what's called the density of the fascia. And what I'm trying to do is just loosen up right through there. Taking about 20 rolls and then switching. You want to loosen up that hip and glute. Then you want to roll right on the front. So now I'm coming right on the front and just rolling right on the front of that hip flexor. Kind of right up there in that little hip pocket, because the hips are going to be shortened. That's going to shorten that angle. What it'll do is it'll actually pull on your lower back. Now, if you're using a tennis ball, you would want to do it up against the wall to start and kind of just press it up against the wall. Or you can even come down like this and just sit kind of down against it. And if you have a lot of lower back pain, you will feel that right away. So just kind of back off and be able to try it up against the wall first. Okay. What we're gonna do for a few exercises is a cat-cow. So that's not a stretch, it's actually mobility. And what you're doing for this exercise is I'm staying nice and tall, and I'm breathing in to look this way, and then I'm breathing out, tuck it in through the core and the glutes to arch my back, okay? I don't wanna overarch this way, and I don't wanna overarch that way. But go through about 10 to 15 repetitions on doing that. Do it 2 or 3 sets. That's really good because that's actually allowing flossing through the spine. So through the vertebrae, you're actually allowing some good work. It's opening things up through the nerve endings, and that's really good. Next one is lying back on your back. You want to cross your leg over and then come back and pull across. Okay, you get that? So once I cross my leg over all the way, come back and pull across. Hold that for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then you're gonna switch on the other side. What you're gonna do from this stretch is rock back and forth. It's flossing again for your spine, and that's good. It's starting to open things up, okay? If you happen to have a band, pull that above your knees, and then you're gonna do bridging. If you don't have a band, just do bridging without it. You wanna scoop and roll the vertebrae up to get those glutes firing, okay? Now let's show you 2 more exercises. Next one is from here, you're gonna do what's called a bird dog. Without changing the angle here, I'm bringing my opposite arm, opposite leg to lengthen. What I'm doing is I'm getting that cross pattern to work and stretch. The last stretch, which I think is actually the best, is what you'll do is you'll lie back on your back, put your legs up on a chair or a couch at a 90-degree angle, and you just relax. And what that's gonna do is take that anterior tilt, that arch that you have in your back, it's taking that tight area and it's allowing your lower back to stretch. Please subscribe, please click like, and ask me any comment that you need to, because I could help. I'm here for you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks so much.